morning. Moment of your time, please. This one's about success. Now, everybody has their own little version of success, or what success is, or their vision, or their little catchphrase, or if you have money, you're successful. If you have this, you're successful. If you have shit, you're successful. Now, the way I've heard it best is someone who knows where they are and someone that knows where they want to be. And each day, they're working towards getting to where they want to be. That's successful. Because at the end of the day, that means you've done that. You've most likely done that. You were successful at completing that. You are working towards being successful, and you will work towards being successful. Past, present, future. Okay, that's 3 different planes of timelines all in one. And that's how you fucking become successful. That's how you are successful, and that's how you have been successful. It's constant fucking repetition of success. Where is that going to lead you? It's not going to lead you fucking, down here. It's going to eventually grow and grow and grow and grow, and that's fucking success. Someone who has no money but has a plan, has a vision, and is working towards it every day is going to be far more successful than somebody that has money, doesn't know what the fuck to do with it. They're just out having fun, and at the end of the day, they're going to keep coming down while this person keeps coming up. You see what I mean? It's as simple as that. Now, when you look at your life, okay, and you reflect on it, I do it all the time, and we all should do it all the time, is, you're not happy with your results of your life. Your results, your life. Now, if you're unhappy with your results, you need to take a look at yourself and learn something about yourself that you need to change for your results in your life. Now, in order for us to look at ourselves and change something about ourselves, we have to know who we are. Now, a lot of the times when somebody asks who they are, they're going to say their name, they're going to say their zodiac sign, they're going to say all this shit. Really, it's all shit. That's not who you are. Who you are, is who the fuck you are. You know what I mean? Who are you? What's stopping you and your personality? What in your personality is changing you, or is keeping you from getting to that end goal? You know what I mean? What's keeping you from getting there? Is it your negative mindset? Now, if it's your negative mindset, we're going to have to change our day-to-day actions that put us in that negative mindset. That means the constant actions of regret. All right? You wish you didn't do this. You wish you didn't do that. You wish you didn't have those drinks last night, over and over and over again. You watch this TV show that puts you in a negative mindset, this fucking Hollywood hip-hop, fucking bullshit drama, TV, reality shit. Now, everything you're consuming around you is something you're going to have to change. What is around you that's changing you from keeping you from being somewhere? And this goes for all the way back to our upbringing. Look, when we're growing up, we want to connect with the outside world, okay? The outside world controls us, so we think. Everybody's living in this mind state to where the outside world is controlling us, and we forgot who we are. You know what I mean? So when we're growing up, we start learning this language, right? Whatever language is spoken in your home, right? We start learning this language to be able to communicate and learn and grow and adapt and all this shit, right? Now, as we're learning this language, we're learning a lot of other shit as well. Just like we're learning this language, we're learning how to hate. We're learning how to not do shit. We're learning how to complain. We're learning how to be angry. We're learning how, you see what I mean? And that's the same thing. So like, we have no control when we're down here as children. Babies, toddlers, young adults, I guess. I think you do, but now, why did we keep that mindset once we were able to leave it? You see what I mean? So like, we're still in this state to where for some reason, like, we seek success in things that aren't success related. I don't know why in today's society it's okay to sit around in a circle, smoke cigarettes, drink, get fucked up, do drugs in a circle, but if you're in that circle and you get down and you start doing some push-ups or something, or maybe you start reading a book, everybody wants to poke fun at you. You're in the wrong circle. You literally need to wipe out all your friends. If all your friends are like that in this circle, if all your friends are in the same circle, you need to leave the fucking circle. You need to go find yourself, find your success. You need to take a card. You need to visualize your success. Take a card, a little note card, okay? Write down what you want. If it's money, how much money do you want? How much? How are you going to get there? If it's physical, what do you want to look like? What do you have to do? Okay? Seriously, take this card, write down this list of shit, fold it up, carry it with you, read it often. You have to think rich to grow rich. You have to think fit to be fit. You have to think anything to be anything. You can't just wake up and want it. You can't think like a pig and expect, you can't think like a chicken, expect to be a fucking eagle. You see what I mean? It sounds corny, but it's so fucking true. The universe is energy, whether you want to believe it or not. And whatever you project, it will reflect. So keep that in mind. Get you a card. Think about yourself, who you are, and what you want to become. Visualize it. I like to call it a movie poster. Visualize your life as a movie poster. Okay? How a movie poster kind of tells you everything that's going on in a movie, right? Visualize that. You, your career, your business, your job, your family, how you want to look, how you want to dress, how you want them to look. Visualize that. Don't just see it, smell it, feel it. Fucking details, the fucking freckle on your daughter's face, everything. Visualize it. Even if you have to sit there in the dark for 10 minutes and just close your eyes and just visualize it. You have to think that every day. Write that down. Keep looking at it. Keep looking at it. Keep looking at it. Because you know where you are. You know where you want to be. Now you just have to have the constant visualization of how to get there. And act.